I believed all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I must leave a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me some.
Lala, and I am back with another YouTube video. So in today's video I am bringing y'all this like carnival inspired type of makeup look. It's like real dramatic and real sparkly, and you see your girl got the little feathers and whatever. But yeah, before we even hop into this video, make sure you go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and also comment down below some more videos you would like to see from my channel. And make sure you hit that subscribe button to become a real MVP and a part of the winning team, period. And also make sure you hit that bell notification so you are notified every single time I upload a video, because sis, why would you want to miss another video? Like, why you want to miss another video? We got some great content over here, so make sure you go ahead and hit that bell notification. And I also tried out some new products in this video, so stay tuned for that. And without further ado, I know you guys are tired of me rambling, so we just gonna go ahead and get right into the video. So y'all, I am so freaking excited to be back filming and back doing tutorials. My schedule just been a little hectic, so it took me away from YouTube, but your girl is back, and hopefully I'm back for good. But yes, I am so freaking excited, and as you can see, I'm about to go in with the Carnival palette first. And speaking of Carnival, this is gonna be a Carnival themed makeup look. So first I'm about to be taking this shade right here called Reckless. So now I'm about to take this shade right here called Inferno. To take this orange shade up here called Lips. Hopefully y'all can't hear the music that is playing downstairs, but if y'all can, I apologize for that. But I'm about to take this shade right here. So for the next color, I am hopping into the Jaclyn Hill palette, and this is volume 2. And I'm about to be taking this shade right here. So now I'm about to go back into my Stacey Marie palette and take this shade right here called King. So lastly, for crease colors, I'm about to take this shade right here called Pep Talk. So I'm about to be doing a double cut crease. So first I'm gonna be going in with the PLouise base in the shade Winter Rose, and then I'm gonna set this with translucent powder, cut my crease again, and then go in with blank canvas. And y'all, this acid rain paint is my favorite, hands down. am done with the eyes for now. I'm about to move on to the face, and we kind of gonna zoom through the face because girl, it is 10:56 and your girl is kind of tired, but it's okay because everything is gonna come together and we still gonna be looking real fleeky and all that stuff. So yeah, we have to go ahead and move on to the face. And for primer, I'm gonna be taking the Tatcha liquid silk canvas. And y'all, if y'all saw my last video, then y'all would know that your girl has fallen in love with this primer. Like, it is so freaking bomb. But I'm about to just take a few pumps. So for foundation and concealer, I got 2 new products, and I am sorry about the glare that is shining in the caps of these, but I have the Urban Decay Stay Naked foundation and concealer, so I'm gonna be taking both of these today. And your girl is excited. Like, I've been wanting to try this for a minute, but I just haven't picked it up. So I'm like, when I went to Ulta, I'm like, let me just go ahead and pick it up. Let me finally pick this up. So for foundation, I have the shade 71 in. So actually, before I go in with concealer, I'm about to go ahead and cream contour with this Juvias Play stick. And if you watched, like, not my last tutorial, but the tutorial before that, I used the Juvias Play stick foundation to cream contour, and I really liked the way it looked. So I had to go back and go get a darker shade because, like I mentioned in that video, I wish that it was a bit darker. So I did pick up a shade that was like 2 or 3 shades darker, and this is in the shade Zambia. Y'all, like a bunch of products at once just to keep the flow going. But first, I'm gonna be taking my Beauty Bakerie flour powder to actually set, and this is in the shade Cassava. Then to bake, I'll be taking my Anastasia powder in the shade Banana. And then to contour, I have a new product, which is gonna be the Morphe Glamabronze, and this is in the shade Leader. And then for bronzer, I'll be taking my Nars bronzer, and this is in the shade Samoa. For blush, I'm about to go into the Sephora Pro palette, and this is the deep one, and I'm about to take this shade right here. into the eyes, and then take that yellow that I used in like the inner crease, and then that really bright pink that I used in the outer crease, and kind of just like smoke it out and make it like real dramatic. And for highlight, I'm going to take this one in the shade Fair Play from the Carnival palette. To go into this base right here called Rude Boy Red from PLouise, and then to set it I'll be going into Inferno, and then that shade from the Jaclyn Hill palette, that like peachy orange type of shade, I'm be going in with that. I'm going to be going into a pair from the Crvstal Lash Book, and this is the LA Lash Book, and I'm honestly really like confuzzled. I don't know which lashes I want to go in with because all of these are so for lashes, I'm gonna be going in with the style Thirsty, and these are like the thickest ones that are in there, and these are super duper pretty. So yeah. Lips, I'm gonna be taking 3 lip products, and first I'm gonna be going in with the NYX Professional Makeup Suede Matte Lip Liner, and this is in the shade Club Hopper. And then for lipstick, I'll be going into the Dose of Colors lipstick in the shade Sand. And then for gloss, I'll be going into the Morphe gloss, and this is in the shade Boho. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also comment down below any videos you would like to see from my channel. And make sure you hit that subscribe button to become a real MVP, and also hit the bell notification so you get notified every single time I upload a video. And without further ado, y'all already know what your girl is about to say, and if you don't, make sure you go watch some other videos. But if you made it to the end of this video, you are the real MVP, period. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.